ABB has been striving for over 130 years to make measurements easy for our customers to achieve. Within the water market, we've introduced a series of different products over the years, including the first magnetic flow meter, the first battery-powered meter, the first analytical devices for turbidity as well as dissolved oxygen. The water market is very regional. The concerns in the far west, the southeast, the northeast are all different. We see different trends in different areas. The three largest or most active trends right now is non-revenue water. Simply put, it's how much revenue are you losing through leakage, missed billing, unauthorized, and theft within the system itself. Next biggest trend is quality. There's nothing worse than poisoning our population. The responsibility of the water companies is to give us potable water that we can drink, that we feel comfortable with every day. And the last is on everybody's mind. It's the conservation of energy. And we have several plans, schemes, if you will, to reduce energy costs within both a water plant and a wastewater plant. We're very lucky in that we have products that makes measurement easier for our customers, whether it be the iron, manganese, sodium that's in the water, or phosphate for that matter. We can give our customer instantaneous measurements of the quality of the water, feeding it back to the system. Within the non-revenue area, we have developed an entire system that's called district metering. District metering helps the customer locate leaks and keep the water network in check, no matter what time, day, or night it is. In fact, we have software that can predict leaks, which is a jump forward in the industry.